It's a good idea to bring all your houseplants outside at this time of year on a fine day and give them a once-over. Cut off any dead material, check them for any pest or disease, clean them, and then give them a good water, making sure they drain well. And when you take them back indoors, your house is going to be warmer and drier throughout winter. So if you possibly can, give them a good misting. Evergreen agapanthus are not frost hardy, so we'll need bringing indoors so they are protected from the cold over winter. I bring mine into the greenhouse, but a cold frame or a frost-free shed will do the job as well. Herbaceous agapanthus are much hardier, so as long as they have good drainage, they should be okay left outside. Chicory grows in two phases. The first is to establish a lot of green foliage which feeds into a strong root system. And then after that, they start developing their characteristic red, delicious leaves. So now you should remove most of that green foliage so that light and air can freely get around each individual plant.